Right, today I'm going to discuss with you how you can make money using your smartphone. Or if you have a smartphone, also you can use it to make money as long as you have MTN SIM card or Airtel SIM card. And also I'm going to talk about another bank account that you can use to make money passively. And this is the method that some people are using to make money. The only thing that you need is to have a small capital, of which I'm going to share with you the minimum amount that you must be having so that you can get started with this method using this small phone. There is no education needed, there is no certificate needed, only the simple steps that I'm going to share with you right in this video. Now, if you're still new in this YouTube channel, please start by clicking on the like button of this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be notified and get this method that I'm going to start sharing with you. Now, as I say that today we shall make money using a small phone like this one, using a smartphone or the smallest phone than this small phone you're seeing. Now, all you have to do is to follow the steps that I'm going to show you right in this video. Right, welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. Now, the first thing that you must be having is a SIM card, and this SIM card here must be MTN and registered with MTN Mobile Money. Now, before I continue, in January, I received over 20,000 from MTN, just in this method that I'm sharing with you today. Now, if you have MTN and registered, what you have to do is to dial *165 *5 hash. Now, after dialing, you select the first option, that is MTN mokash. Now, some of you maybe have been receiving this money. You may be receiving 1 shillings, 200, 4,000, or if you have been using this method, and I'm sure you have been receiving money after every 3 months, you receive a message that you received this amount of money from MTN. And now you might have been scared that how did I receive this money? This is how you have been getting that money. Now, if you have dialed *165 *5 hash, then you select option 1, which is mokash. I'm talking about the SIM cards in Uganda. I don't know in your country which USSD do you use when you're accessing mokash in your phone. Now, after you selecting option 1, if you have not yet accepted the terms and conditions, then you must accept it now. But of course, with me, I have already accepted, and if you have also accepted the terms and conditions, now we shall go with option 1, which is saving. Then click on 1, then go. Now, after here, we shall be depositing. Now, this is how you earn from MTN Mobile Money mokash service. Now, you'll be depositing money, and there are different options. Deposit, that is manual, then there is withdraw, auto savings, then option 4 is check savings balance. Now, this is how you earn from MTN. If you have 1 shillings to 300,000 you've deposited in your mokash, you'll be earning 2% after every 3 months. Now, from 300,000 1 shillings to 600,000, you'll be earning 3% for 3 months, up to the highest, whereby you'll be depositing 1,600,000 shillings up to any amount that you want, you'll be earning 5%. Now, if you go to our calculator and we try to calculate 3 divided by 100 times 600,000, let's say, that is 18,000 for 3 months. Now, instead of you saving your money in your house, you'll not be earning any interest from it. So put your money here and start earning interest every 3 months. Now, for them, you don't have to do anything. You just have to deposit. Now, when you deposit after every 3 months, you get your interest percentage. Now, for a year, for example, if you have deposited 600,000 for 3 months, you'll be getting 18,000. Now, let's multiply 18,000 times 4, because in a year we have 4 quarters times 4. That is already 72,000. That is 1 year. So in a year, you'll be having a profit of 72,000 in your account. That is as easy as that. Now, the benefits of mokash, anytime you can withdraw, and also if you keep saving, they'll start giving you loans, and now these loans you can use them in any way that you need. Now, you borrow and you pay later after you using it. And also sometimes you can do that method: borrow, deposit there, withdraw, and pay that back. So anytime you can withdraw. So that is how you can make money using this small phone and MTN SIM card. Now I'm going to give you the other one for bank. Now you can also earn money using bank. And now in the bank, you must be having a specific account. Now before we still continue here, if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please click on the subscription button, click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so that whenever I post any video, YouTube will notify you and you become the first person to watch that video, like it, and comment. Let me know what you think about this video. And of course, if you have already been receiving money from MTN because of this one and maybe you didn't know, so today I have given you the light on it. Now let's go to our bank. Now in bank today, I'm going to talk about Centenary Bank. I know Centenary is in your country, and of course in my country it is also there, and that is what I'm going to talk about today. Now it is not only Centenary, any bank in your country works, but now the account that you must use is also the same. That is fixed account. Now in fixed account, this is how it works. You open an account. Now when you open, you're going to agree that I want my money to be here for this period, like let me say 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 3 years, any amount of years that you need. Now if you put your money there, you'll be earning interest every year. Now if you already have an account in bank, it is easy. You must be having passport size photo, then national ID. And if you're a foreigner, you must be having passport. That is for only those people who already have accounts in the bank. Now, if you don't have an account in the bank, you must be having passport, national ID, or passport if you're a foreigner. Then you must be having a letter of introduction from your workplace or from your local leaders, that is LOC1 or any other. Then also you must be having guarantors. Those are people who will stand for you if you don't have an account. Now after you open this account, you're going to agree that to tell them that I want, say, this account to be for 6 years, 5 years, 2 years, 1 year. Now any money that you put there, you cannot withdraw until that period elapses. Or if you want to withdraw, you're going to withdraw at least if you have achieved 80% of your contract. Now 80% of the contract, I mean, if you have applied for your fixed account to be of 2 years, you must finish 1 year and maybe a half, or 1 year, 7 months, 8 months. There you can withdraw your money. Now if you withdraw, still you're going to earn interest from it until the period expires. So that is how we work from that. But now the difference between mokash and this fixed account is that in mokash, anytime you can withdraw your money. In bank, you cannot withdraw until you achieve 80% of your contract. Secondly, your money here, you receive in MTN, you receive per quarter. In the bank, monthly. Now this is what they share also. In mokash, you can get loans, and also in fixed account, you can use it to get a loan also. So that is how those two works. Now, if you have understood how that one is, and also if you have not understood anything, please rewatch this video and also leave a comment to this video asking me to redo another video about these two services that you can use to make money using your phone, seated at home, without any education, without any experience. So guys, that is all for today. Subscribe for more, like this video so that YouTube recommend it to other people. Also comment to this video. Let me know what you think about this video and about this channel. Let's meet in the next coming video. I love you.